Hey, well, what's going on, tubers? We got a mail call today. I got a big old box. I ordered something that was gonna help us keep this thing in the lanes when we drive it, you know? So let's see what's in the box, okay? All right. Duh. Doesn't feel heavy enough to be all of it, but we'll see. We shall see. This is my monthly expenditure for parts on the bug. This is all I could do this month. This YouTube revenue is dying, and I'm only using YouTube to build this car, so. Alright, we got the dampener. That should be the steering shock. Should be. But the bushing, the rubber bushing for this thing that I need, that makes a difference, is out of stock. Go figure. I need the rubber bushing for that, because I'm sure the one that's on the car is trashed. It's so tiny. So tiny. And let's see. Alright. We got tie rod ends ×2. Because mine are bent. And I can't seem to keep the car between the lanes. So we got 2 of those. And that I couldn't afford the center link because the center link itself is $100. So yeah, couldn't do that. But these 2 for sure I know, because the tie rod ends on this thing here supposed to be like this. They're like this. Yeah. I'm actually missing something else. I need a little bushing so I could put the tie rod ends up the other way so they don't bend this time, you know? And then just maybe we could drive this thing straight and feel safe. So I could take it on the freeway and use it as more of a daily. Because that, my friends, runs on 87 octane. Oh yeah. It's a cheaper gas. And gets way better gas mileage. Way better gas mileage than car shell. So like, yeah, I'd like to daily this a little bit more just because that's about the gas that I could afford, 87 octane. So we'll get those tie rods changed sometime this week. I don't know if I'll show you how I did it, maybe. Because when I jack this thing up, there's not a lot of room for myself too much underneath there, so we'll see. What else did I got on here? I got, when I fixed my tail light, the brake light situation, I put new tail light lenses on. And yeah, right now I am just detailing her out, putting some spray detailer on and wiping it off, getting it ready for Friday night cruise at the Dairy Queen. And what do you say? Maybe we'll get you a cold start. It hasn't been started in a couple of days. I don't think I had it out since maybe Monday or Tuesday. I'll wipe that down a little bit too. I had it on the charger for like 2 days. Just making sure it was nice and charged because for some reason I'm still losing power. So hang tight, we'll get you a cold start here after I finish wiping it down, and I'm going to be going over to Friday night cruise night at the Dairy Queen. And that should be fun. Right now, back to rubbing her down. Okay, folks, I think I'm done wiping her down. Let's get that cold start. Let's get that cold start for you. See how it goes. Let's camera stop turning. Look, we'll even pop the deck lid open for you.